Today we'll be having a look at the BeQuiet Silent Loop 360mm version. Let's have a look at it, open the box up, and see if it's really as premium as it says here. So let's get on with the unboxing. Okay, so in the box we have some instructions, it looks like, or some sort of other paper, some piece of plastic packaging, the rather beefy 360mm cooler itself, two fans, the third fan, and the usual 1 kilogram bag of accessories that comes with these sort of things. Right then, let's get on with putting it into the PC, and I'll skip this part over, but we'll get back to you with some thermal testing results. And here are the results from the thermal testing. The tests were on an i7 960 overclocked to 4.2 GHz and a 1.4 volt V-core, and of course the BeQuiet Silent Loop 360mm AIO. Our idle temp was 35 degrees without anything running in the background. For synthetics, we had Prime 95 and Cinebench. In Prime 95, we got 69.5 degrees on the CPU after 10 minutes of full load. Just as we got to the end of the Cinebench test, we got 66 degrees. The first game we tested was City Skylines, which had a load temp of 65 degrees C. Then we did Far Cry 3, which had a temperature of 59 degrees. In CSGO, we got a temperature of 63 degrees, which is repeated in PUBG. A Cirrus New Dawn didn't seem to stress the CPU that much, and we only got 55 degrees in that CPU benchmark. So in my opinion, this BeQuiet AIO is a very good water cooler, and it does manage to tame the beast of my overclocked i7 960, even when I pushed the voltage way too high for its clock speeds. So if you're looking for a decent 360mm AIO, I'd totally recommend this one to you. So that's the end of today's video. Hope you have a great year, and hope to see you in the next video.